Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're talking about the iPhone 5 and asking the big question, how usable is it in 2025? So this device was released on September 21st, 2012, which was over 12 years ago. But what can you do on a device like this? Well, for starters, this iPhone has been stuck on iOS 10.3.4 since 2019, which means there have been no security updates for almost 6 years. And basically what that means is if you want to go to the App Store and download an app, let's say for instance Google Maps, it's not going to download the most recent version that's available. It will instead ask you if you want to download the last compatible version with iOS 10. And with an app like Instagram or YouTube, that most compatible version with iOS 10 probably just won't work at all. For example, with YouTube, it tells you that you have to update in order to use it. At least with Instagram, the app does work. As you can see here, it still fully loads. Yeah, just the last compatible version doesn't support Reels, I'm pretty sure, so I guess if you don't like Reels, then this is a good version for you. iOS 10 itself runs okay on the iPhone 5, but it feels outdated. The design is old, there's no dark mode, and some websites kinda don't run properly anymore. But if you're just using it for iMessage or just some old games, then this device is pretty good. For a 12-year-old phone, the iPhone 5 still runs surprisingly smooth, at least in the menus and basic apps. It has Apple's A6 chip with 1GB of RAM, which was great in 2012, but it really shows its age now. Some lightweight games run fine, but heavier apps might crash or take forever to load. Battery life is also a big issue. Most original batteries are probably shot by now, including this one. This one is actually pretty much showing its age, it's always running low, so you're gonna want to have a charger nearby. I think I just want to say right now that the iPhone 5 is probably my favorite classic iPhone in my collection right now. I've wanted this device since I was little, and the fact that I finally got the courage to buy one in 2021, it just made me happy when I first got it, and I used it as a secondary device to my old iPhone. Things were still supporting iOS 10 in 2021. Speaking of stuff that still supports iOS 10, Discord actually still runs on this phone. Let's go to the Frog Duck server. Shouldn't have asked me and feel like techie about furry shit yesterday. What a great time for me to get here. Oh my god, I cannot type, but it autocorrect fixed it for me. Yeah, as you can see, Discord still runs. Bro just spawned in. I remember when iOS 10 came out, and everyone was so disappointed that they took away the glorious slide to unlock. Well, I want to tell you that you can actually downgrade an iPhone 5 as well. Right here is a 16GB iPhone 5 on iOS 8.4.1 that I downgraded in this video, so if you want to check that out, I would highly recommend it. It is also jailbroken, so I could customize it however I wanted to. Okay, I know what some people want to see, but I know that a lot of people don't really care about, is the camera. How is the camera? Well, let's test it out. Let's take a photo of this iPhone 5 right here. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'll put it up on the screen. Now let's take a selfie. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was definitely a low light picture. It's not gonna look bad at all in daylight. In fact, I think I actually have videos and pictures on here in the daylight, so I will be showing those as well. And I think that's it for this video. To recap, I think that the iPhone 5 is good if you just want to do iMessages and play small games as well as browse the web. That is pretty much what you can do with this iPhone 5 nowadays. It's a great collection piece, don't get me wrong, but the actual usability in day-to-day life is pretty slim. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.